This is the Benchmade Claymore. Step up to the challenge with Benchmade's new automatic folding knife. Made with a steel that has recently been added to Benchmade's manufacturing, CPM D2. The Claymore has a timeless design and materials that will never fail you even in the toughest of circumstances. The 3.6-inch drop point blade is serrated and has a cobalt black Cerakote finish. The CPM D2 steel is tough and has excellent edge retention. This knife is constructed with an automatic push button and an integrated safety so your knife doesn't deploy at random. The Ranger Green textured Grivory handle scales offer secure grip with perfect curvature, fitting the form of the hand. And it comes with a tip-up, reversible deep carry pocket clip. This Premier Benchmade is a great example of a tactical EDC style knife that will last you a lifetime. Click the link in the description to get yours today. Hey, do any of you have the Claymore? Let us know what you think about it down in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay up to date on all our new arrivals. You can also sign up for our newsletter and follow Blade HQ on social media. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.